For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
NASA's Perseverance rover that will travel to Mars will carry with it a tribute to COVID warriors. A 3x5-inch aluminium plate shows Earth being supported by the staff and serpent symbol of the medical profession. This commemorative plate has been fit on the left side of the rover chassis. This is being done to honor doctors, nurses and other essential services toiling to curtail the deadly pandemic.
We wanted to demonstrate our appreciation for those who have put their personal well-being on the line for the good of others. It is our hope that when future generations travel to Mars and happen upon our rover, they will be reminded that back on Earth in the year 2020 there were such people.
However, this isn't the first time NASA has honored essential workers on Mars. The space agency has also paid a tribute after the tragic 9/11 terrorist attack on September 11, 2001. NASA's rovers Spirit and Opportunity carried pieces of debris from the destroyed World Trade Center to Mars. This was to honor all the victims of the attacks, including firefighters who gave their lives to help others. Despite only being rated to last 90 days on Mars, Spirit's mission lasted until 2010 and Opportunity's until 2019. Perseverance launch has been threatened by the COVID-19 pandemic. The progress has been hindered due to social distancing measures and supply challenges. However, the team has managed to keep the $2.4 billion project on track for launch as early as July 20. The rover will be launched atop a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. The launch window for the spacecraft opens on July 20 and closes on August 11, 2020. It is expected to land on Mars's Jezero crater in 2021 in search of ancient habitability. One of Perseverance's jobs will be collecting rock samples from Mars and sending it back to Earth. If successful, it will be the first ever launch from the Red Planet. This is being done for better analysis of the samples in Earth's sophisticated labs instead of a basic in situ study. The Perseverance rover's astrobiology mission will search for signs of ancient microbial life. It will also characterize the planet's climate and geology, pave the way for human exploration of the Red Planet, and be the first planetary mission to collect and cache Martian rock core and dust samples. Subsequent missions would send spacecraft to Mars to collect these cache samples from the surface and return them to Earth for in-depth analysis. However, utmost care needs to be taken to be careful about transmitting possible microbes from Mars to Earth. NASA and health authorities around the world will be taking precautions to keep Earth safe. NASA has protocols in place to disinfect spacecraft landing on Mars to protect it from our microbes. However, it will be interesting to see how this process works in reverse, protecting Earth from Mars. NASA's rovers have been searching for water and signs of life on Mars for decades. Curiosity rover that landed in 2012 stumbled across an ancient stream bed within weeks of landing. The historic mission will also feature several firsts and experiments on the Red Planet. The Perseverance rover will also carry NASA's Mars helicopter. As per NASA, the helicopter will test the first part flight on Mars. The rover will also feature MOXIE, Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment. This equipment will try to produce oxygen from Mars's carbon dioxide atmosphere. Despite other special features, the commemorative plate will be the standout feature of the rover.